Ano nga ba mangyayari pag inalagaan mo yung sarili mo in 30 days? Day 20 of Project Wealth 101 and trying to reach 182,000 per month. In just 30 days, may magbabago ba o wala? Paano mo rin ba sisimulan to? Ano yung mga dapat mong gawin? Bakit nga ba pumasok to sa isip ko? Bakit gusto kong gawan ng content? Isa lang ang dahilan. Because I believe you are your greatest asset. Yang sarili mo, yang katawan mo, mental health mo, at syempre, spiritual health mo. Kaya today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit nga ba sobrang halaga nito at paano mo sisimulan. Syempre, magsimula tayo sa physical health. Since physical health is the foundation of well-being. Ito rin yung unang nakikita sa atin. In just 30 days, you can start the basics. Eat a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and get regular exercise. That's the basic thing na pwede mong gawin at simulan na ngayon. And syempre, mag-take ka rin ng mga vitamins na alam mong effective sa'yo. For example, itong ginagamit ko ngayon. Itong collagen, keratin, biotin. Pinapanatili nito para maging healthy yung hair ko. Ito rin yung dahilan para magkaroon ka ng smooth skin. At napansin ko rin, in just 30 days, nagkaroon ako ng magagandang kuko. Dati kasi ang hirap kong tubuan ng kuko. Meron na tong 60 gummies na pwede mong makonsume in just 30 days. Saktong-sakto. Kaya kung gusto mo to, click mo na lang yung yellow basket. Next, let's focus on our mind. Mental health is just as important as a physical health. Hindi lang naman pwedeng puro physical health ang inuuna natin. Dito, you can practice mindfulness and stress management techniques. Pwedeng simulan mo sa meditation, deep breathing, or journaling. You can also do your hobbies and activities that bring you joy and allow you to disconnect from daily stressors. And kung may dinadala kang mabigat na alam mong hindi mo kaya, it's okay to seek help. Meron naman tayong family, my friends, even therapists na pwedeng mag-provide ng valuable support. Now, in 30 days, syempre wag mong kakalimutan yung soul mo, yung spiritual self-care mo. Dito papasok yung mga activities that nurture your spirit and help you find meaning and purpose. Sobrang halaga ng purpose, kaya wag mong kakalimutan. Pwede mong simulan sa prayer, spending time in nature, or engaging in creative stuffs na mga hobbies mo. Reflect on what truly fulfills you and make time for these activities regularly. Alam nyo, in just 30 days, sobrang laki ng mababago natin. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-self-care in just 30 days. Titignan natin kung anong magiging epekto. Creating a self-care routine doesn't have to be complicated naman. You can start small and build habits that fit into your lifestyle. And syempre, set a boundaries to protect your time and energy. Pwede ka naman mag-no sa mga bagay na ayaw mo. And prioritize activities that recharge you. Another thing na important of self-care is sleep. Ensure that you are getting enough sleep every night. Good sleep can improve your physical and mental health. Kaya sobrang halaga nito. Kaya simula ngayon, create a bedtime routine para magsimula na rin yung pagiging consistent mo sa pagtulog. Sabay-sabay tayo dito. I made this video kasi sobrang laki na naging impact sa akin ng self-care. Last month, sobrang hyper-focus ko sa pagbuo ng content, sa school, sa business. Na-addict din ako sa online games, sa gambling. Talagang sobrang laking regret sa akin nun na naging dahilan kung bakit ko ginagawa tong video na to. Na-realize ko kasi na kapag may self-care ka, mas magiging productive ka and mas masaya sa mga ginagawa mo.
I ain't gonna tell him, babe, I get it, darling. Yeah, you got a situation, stop sweating, darling. Yeah.